Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker chicken carnitas. I found this recipe online at theskinnyishdish.com and I will share the link to the original recipe down in the description box below, so make sure to go check it out. So let's just get started. First, I'm going to do a little prep work here, and so I'm going to slice one onion into thin slices, and then I'm going to get the juice of 2 oranges. I've got 2 navel oranges here and the juice of 2 limes. I'm going to try to use this juicer here and see if I can make a mess. So this one is very simple. It has great flavor in the end, and it's very versatile. You can eat the chicken just as it is, or you can do like I do and put it in a little taco with your favorite toppings. Okay, so there's the limes. I'm just going to try to get these oranges going. Okay, the reason why I like this recipe is it's in the crock pot, and like, who doesn't like using a slow cooker to do all the work for you? I've already placed 2 large chicken breasts down in the bottom of my slow cooker, and I just put the onion slices right on top. Next going in is 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth. Now here's my orange juice and lime juice mixture. I'm going to dump that in. Next is 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of coarse kosher salt. 1 bay leaf. And then I'm going to use some chipotle peppers. I had used some chipotle peppers from a can earlier this week, so this is just what I saved from that. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 chipotle peppers in there with about 2 tablespoons of the sauce as well. And I'm just going to give it a little stir in the slow cooker. Now the original recipe says that you can cook it on low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for 4 to 5 hours. I had originally started mine on high, and about the 2-hour mark, I just had a feeling that it was cooking faster than I thought it would. So I went ahead and turned it to low. So just depending on your slow cooker, you might have to keep an eye on it and adjust the time. After about 4 hours, like it's just falling apart, you can see here. So, okay, the next part to do is transfer it to a baking sheet, and you're going to want to pull the chicken apart gently. Don't shred it into tiny little pieces. You want it to be kind of like chunkier than you normally would to shred it. Transfer the liquid or the juice from your slow cooker all over on top of your chicken. And then finally, we're going to give it a little spray with some avocado cooking spray. This is the important part of the recipe, and trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Okay, just pop that right under the broiler for about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. And what you want to look for is the edges of that chicken that get a nice little browning to it, and that gives it like really good little crispy texture, makes it delicious. And see that right there? That's what you want to look for. Okay, so this is great in a salad, in burritos. I like to make little tacos using a low carb tortilla, or you can make a little burrito bowl, whatever you want. You can top it any which way you want. It's really delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.